dog, dog. I have a cute dog at home. Dogs are known for their loyalty and companionship. Cat, cat. My sister loves playing with her cat. Cats are independent animals, but they also enjoy human affection. Horse, horse. We went horseback riding in the countryside. Horses are strong and intelligent creatures, often used for transportation and sport. Rabbit, rabbit. I saw a fluffy rabbit in the garden. Rabbits are herbivorous animals that are known for their ability to hop and reproduce quickly. Bird, bird. Look, there's a beautiful bird perched on the tree. Birds have feathers and wings, which allow them to fly and explore different habitats. Fish, fish. We went fishing and caught a colorful fish. Fish live in water and breathe through their gills. They come in various shapes and sizes. Lion, lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lions are majestic predators that live in prides and hunt together for food. Tiger, tiger. The tiger has beautiful stripes on its fur. Tigers are endangered species and are known for their strength, agility, and distinctive markings. Elephant, elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Elephants are intelligent creatures with a strong sense of family and long trunks that they use for various purposes. Giraffe. Giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck and spots on its body. Giraffes are herbivores with unique adaptations, allowing them to reach tall trees for leaves. Monkey. Monkey. The monkey swung from one branch to another in the forest. Monkeys are highly intelligent animals that are known for their curiosity and ability to use tools. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have powerful hind legs and carry their young in a pouch. Kangaroos are marsupials native to Australia and are capable of hopping long distances. Snake. Snake. Be careful, there's a snake in the grass. Snakes are reptiles without limbs, and they use their tongues to sense their surroundings. Wolf. Wolf. The wolf howled at the moon in the night. Wolves are social animals that live in packs and are known for their hunting skills and loyalty to the group. Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile sunbathed near the riverbank. Crocodiles are large reptiles that inhabit both water and land. They are skilled predators and have a strong bite force.